Ready to unlock the secret to attracting more clients online? Your website's URL is the key, and in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to give you the Realtor-specific formula to choosing the perfect one. First up, brand relevance. Your URL should scream you. Ideally, it includes your name, brokerage, or a catchy tagline that reflects your real estate niche. Think Sarah Celsius's or the luxury living to avoid anything too generic or confusing. Next, let's talk keywords. Consider what potential clients are searching for. Integrate relevant keywords like Austin homes, waterfront properties, Miami, or Denver real estate into your URL if it fits naturally and is still available. This helps with search engine optimization. Domain extensions are crucial while .com is king. .net or .org can work, but for realtors, a Realtor domain is a fantastic option, as it signals credibility within the industry and shows the viewers that this website is indeed for a Realtor. Also consider if you're working in the US or Canada. The common domain extensions are .com or .ca respectively. Now comes the moment of truth. Availability. Head over to a domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap and type in your desired URL. Be prepared to get creative if your first choice is taken. Try variations, add your middle initial, or tweak the keywords slightly. Once you've secured your perfect URL, make sure it directs to a clean, user-friendly website that showcases your listings, expertise, and personality. A great URL is just the beginning. A powerful website converts leads into clients. Now you're one step closer to dominating the online real estate game. Be sure to subscribe for more Realtor-specific tips and tricks.